Hey guys, I'm Umar Shafrin Fatima and this is my PEC 101 Critical Thinking Skills Portfolio. Critical thinking skills are the ability to objectively analyze, evaluate, and synthesize information in order to form reasoned judgments or making decisions. In this video, I will be showcasing how I applied the critical thinking skills learned in PEC 101 in formulating a solution for current issues. The first issue is bullying. Bullying is an issue that affects individuals of all ages and can have negative impacts. The negative impacts can be profound, leading to physical injuries, emotional traumas, and decreased self-esteem. The solution for bullying is by actually advising the bullies and also the victim in order to provide support. By advising them, we can actually raise awareness towards bullying and provide support. Second issue is land pollution. Land pollution is the degradation of land resources typically caused by human activities. It involves the contamination or destruction of Earth's surface or soil, resulting in adverse effect on the environment, ecosystems, and human health. Land pollutions can take various forms. One of the main causes is littering and inadequate waste management. The solution for land pollution is by collecting the waste by ourselves and disposing it effectively. The third issue is about mental health, and the issue is depression. Depression is characterized by persistent sadness and loss of interest in life. Common symptoms of depression are persistent sadness, sleep disturbance, fatigue, and suicidal thoughts. The solution for depression is as easy as by taking small steps in your life, like going out, spending time with your loved ones, eating healthy foods, and also spending your time by doing quality activities. The final issue is food waste. Food waste refers to the discarding or loss of edible food occurring at various stages of the food supply chain, from production and processing to distribution, retail, and consumption. Food waste can cause a lot of negative impact. Firstly, food waste results in significant financial losses. Secondly, it perpetuates food insecurity and hunger. Finally, it increases environmental degradation, contributing to climate changes. The solution for food waste is by avoiding wasting food, and when you are going for shopping, buy only the things that you need and don't buy things that you want. This will avoid unnecessary food waste. That's all from my side, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you guys to increase your knowledge regarding these 4 issues, which are bullying, land pollution, depression, and also food waste. I hope from this video you guys can get a better understanding of these 4 issues and also its negative impacts. The most important thing is the formulated solution. From the solutions mentioned in this video, I really hope we can solve all these upcoming issues in our society.